It is the day before the farmer's market, and I am out here to harvest some flowers for the bouquets. Got mini buckets, I won't need this many. I have this guy so I can see how much a gallon of water is in my bucket. Eventually I'll be able to eyeball it, but right now I feel like I need this. And the reason I need to know that is so I can put 4 tablespoons of flower food in each bucket. And this is Floral Life Crystal Clear. Also I have my shears, a 1/4 cup measure for the flower food. Most people recommend cutting flowers in the morning. You can also do it at night, just kind of not in the heat of the day is the big thing, but it's supposed to be better in the morning. It is 10 o'clock, so not exactly the morning, as early as I should have done, but it will be much cooler now than it is at night. So I'm gonna go ahead and harvest some flowers. So we've got bachelor's buttons, snapdragons, bee's friend, daisies, some cosmos. I might harvest some gladiolus, snapdragons. I think I already said snapdragons. Zinnias, and some lemon basil. I think that's it for now. So yeah, let's go ahead and get going. I'm gonna rinse this bucket out. Might as well water some flowers while I'm at it and see about how much a gallon is. All right, so that was up to the gallon mark. Go ahead and get 1/4 of a cup of this. If I can get it open. This is what it looks like. Yeah. Put it in first so it mixes as it goes. I do the slosh method. Okay, so here is a gallon of water. So just a little bit below that guy. Okay, so now we just do this several more times. These are Costa Silver snapdragons, and I just think they are gorgeous. You can see they have a first level of blooms, and then these will open as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and harvest several of these, and I'm really gonna miss them. I'm just cutting down at a junction of 2 leaves. So kind of did that one all the way to the base, and then you'll just get rid of the leaves and put them in here. Snapdragons like to be harvested early in the morning. I'm hoping I got them early enough. I'll probably, as soon as I harvest these, go take them into the cool air conditioner. Pretty much with every stem you want to get kind of an angle. I didn't really get a good angle on that one the first time. Okay, here's what I got from the snapdragons. We actually have a couple different varieties here. You can see these ones have that double bloom on them, and then a dark pink, yellow. This one is, I'll have to remember all the names, something bronze, I believe. Time to get these into the air conditioner. I also just got a whole thing of lemon basil for the smell. People are always smelling the bouquets, and most flowers really don't have a scent, so lemon basil will be helpful. Okay, and some coreopsis. Get rid of these dead ones while I'm out here too. These are the very last two spots that need to be done. And then I will have finished all the digging and bed placement in the garden. I always wanted to try this, so let's get gardening. I am now, I think a little over halfway through, but I'm getting really tired of this, so let's just do the old, done. No time at all, just magic. Got all the grass off of this area. This section I was planted with helianthus, which is sunflower. This was with Persian cress. This will be saved for some yarrow. And more Persian cress here. And mulched all of those areas. And over here in this part of the bed, I planted some calendula. Yeah, so we're done except the mulching or rocking of the pathways. We'll just see how that, which one we decide on, and planting this very last bed. Whew, that's a wrap. One of the things that I'm constantly doing right now is picking Japanese beetles off of the plants, and hard to do one-handed, and I put them in a Solo cup that has some water and some Dawn dish detergent in it. so they can't escape. And they have been trying to eat my plants. So for about a week, maybe a week and a half now, I have been collecting Japanese beetles. There have been less recently, so I'm hoping we're almost at the end of their infestation.